The CDC is reporting the number of whooping cough cases more than doubled in the last year in the U.S. At least 8,000 cases were recorded nationwide last month. There were 3,800 cases recorded in April 2024. Whooping cough is particularly dangerous for babies and young children who are most at risk to die from the illness because their immune systems can't fight off the infection. This week, Austin public health officials confirmed a case in a student at Del Valley Elementary. Health department leaders recommend parents monitor their child's symptoms if they have a cough and check in with your doctor as needed. It's also recommended to get the whooping cough vaccine.